Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Police are probing the death of a Ukrainian on a container ship dock at the port in Kingston. The dead man has been identified as 47-year-old Manzos Yuri, the ship's chief engineer who resides in Nikolak, southern Ukraine. So when I hear them something, I know my viewers and subscribers. Cops probe death of Ukrainian on ship with dock in Jamaica. What really happening in a few country? Our go down. That's all we can think, and say, what really happened for all of this? Happen. You understand? Boy. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, under the article, guess who missed a comment underneath it? Queen Africa. And this is what you have to say. Sir, poor me BOMBCLLAT country. Really now? That is what Queen Africa say. So, as you can see, say Queen Africa do not like what is happening in the country. That I'll want to show you, because that tell you that she's expressing herself. You understand me? For all them kind of stop me and know how that the man they know end up for reach out here. You get me? No, sir. Well, my viewers and subscribers, another few persons had this to say in the comment section. That is his business. Him not special more than nobody. So basically, this a person I say, I feel business what happened to him, and that not special, and him not special more than nobody else. Maybe true because he's a Ukrainian. You understand? So everybody's like, what? What the hell? A Ukrainian engineer dead body at over here. So you get me? So, and another person also go on and said, who no really believes that Jamaican police do real investigation. Them can't even solve one crime. Only want someone to inform only with no evidence and lab proven evidence and witness protection of an informer to be safe. You know, hear that? All right, my viewers and subscribers. These are people of Jamaica that is commenting. You understand? Yeah, that is commenting that they don't like what is happening in the country. Anyway, hear this. Opposition spokespersons for Foreign and Regional Affairs, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, says the People's National Party will be seeking to return Jamaica to the position of a powerhouse on regional and international affairs. Dr. Brown-Burke, who was appointed to the role during the shadow cabinet reshuffle last weekend, says, as was demonstrated in a recent international Fox pass, Jamaica can no longer be relied on for a principled stand on issues. So there you go. See, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke should come out and, she's standing up firm and she's getting up and she has stand up for the people. And as you hear what she said, Jamaica is going to be a powerhouse on the regional and international affairs. You see, when the lady always come out and listen, you see that lady, she is one of the few who always stand up in a House of Parliament. Yeah, man, I always stand up for the people. It's not a joke thing. I don't know if none of one ever take her in action yet. She always a stand up and a talk for the people of Jamaica. So I believe this role we fit her. This role what she get, I think she can manage it. Some people are say, just wait and see how she go perform and stuff like that. I think she can angle it. Yeah, man, she know if you deal with things. And them, when she always show them up in a parliament, them get vexed and go on like they want to be little her thing. But they cannot do that because the woman, she full of brains and she have understanding and she have wisdom. As I say, I don't know if I take her in, but a few times I play her over here. So this lady, she know what she had done. And as I said, Mark Golding make the right decision. Mark Golding made the right decision. So people need to just stop off and puff like they want to blow the house down. You understand me? All right. Tell me what you think about it. And tell me if you think she can manage it. All right. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. What began as a traffic stop along Maxfield Avenue yesterday afternoon quickly turned into a bizarre shooting incident, leaving a police constable seriously injured after a man disarmed his colleague and shot him repeatedly. The shooter, who is believed to be of unsound mind, then ran from the scene into the Richmond Park community, clutching the lawman service pistol. My viewers and subscribers, cop shot by a madman during traffic stop. When I hear them something here, how they make this happen? How they manage to make the madman overthrow them? I can't even say the word. How you make the madman overthrow you? No, sir. At first, me ever see them something here. How comes you not allow the madman to overthrow you? No, sir. Why me I tell you, something the police them they you need to have on the head for nobody, You need to have on the head for nobody, man. Come in and know how to manage that. No, sir. But my viewers and subscribers, when I hear the part when I read, when they say, leaving a police constable seriously injured, then say the incident leave the constable seriously injured after a man disarmed his colleague and shot him repeatedly. All right, then say after a man, I madman, but then I want to write it madman, then just write a man. Then make it look like somebody just disarm them and then the man. Remember say then go back again and say the shooter who is to believe of an unsound mind. And the madman overthrow him, take one gun from him and shoot. All them something here. How them allow them sitting here to happen? How you allow these things to happen to you? I don't understand. Yeah, you need to be more focused, man. You need to be more focused and aware of what's going on around and in the surrounding. You get me? But my viewers and subscribers, you tell me what you think about this. I'm the constable that is seriously injured. Speedy recovery for you. All right? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think in the comment section because I really want to hear from views on this. The Integrity Commission says there are also new filing requirements of statutory declarations for members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, and Jamaica Defence Force, JDF. Under the 12 million threshold, only senior JCF and JDF officers are required to file as at December 2023 by March 31st, 2024, and thereafter annually. Other JCF and JDF personnel will file statutory declarations every 2 and 3 years, respectively. Okay, so when I see them come out with now when I say new statutory declaration filings required for police and soldiers. Yeah, to me, you see all of these things now that is coming up. It's just for we take with mind of the Andrew Holness not declaring his asset and the others. You understand? Because member say 6 main person is under serious investigation. 6 main persons from the JLP MP department is under serious investigation. So they want they just want everything to fade away. So we totally forget about what is happening. How we forget when we not hide all these things. Remember saying, Juliet honest come out, and she table everything in front of we, and she's not doing that. She's not tabling nothing. She keep it a secret. She hold on the report. She don't want to talk nothing. She say things are going to go over the oversight committee if you table first. Remember, so the oversight committee, yeah, I be a JLP over there, Just imagine that, Remember, there wasn't no oversight committee in the first place, Andrew Holness created, The first thing what Andrew Holness go do is create a cabinet policy called gag order. When he said that wasn't good enough, he's gonna want to create the oversight committee. Why a prime minister I go stress out himself if you create all this? The time when I take and I create this and I create that and I get people for create all type of things. If you get people for fix up in declaration so he can go in. And that he need to focus on. But when I do now, he create all these policies and procedures so nobody no find him out. At that, and they're not transparent. And from the look of things, the way Juliet owners a move, when you can see she blatantly hide something, everybody can see that with them color eye. You get me? And then you have Del Right Chuck him stand up and talk about anything with the madam speaker say it's final. All them bullshit there. It's stupidness. You understand me? So now you see them a come out and talk about public officials and all them something they want to run with it. We don't have time for that. We no business with that. That a phone no business. We are talk about the 6 main thief that una hide and una no want we the Jamaican people to know who is the 6th thief. Listen, you can't have a leader we're under investigation, you know. And you know what Andrew Honest need to do us a favor and step down because he can't declare an asset. Why you can't declare an asset? Why you cannot declare an asset, Andrew Honest? It's a reason why you can't declare it. It's a big reason why you cannot declare your asset. You say you declare it, but remember, the Integrity Commission wasn't satisfied with it. You understand? So then tell us if you go back and do it again. No, you can't come back with nothing. Nothing can certify for you. You understand me? So when you see them come out and push out and talk about these people and that people, actually they want us to talk about these things and forget about for them own. But we not forget about for our own because we want to come out publicly and tell we who and who is under investigation. You understand? We want to come out and tell we publicly who and who is under investigation. We want to hear from phone no more because you see if it was PNP under investigation, hey, on the chat that long. I don't want Daryl Vaz. I don't want I'm the first one. I'm the first one I go get up and talk off him out. Yeah? Yes. And it's just the truth. If it was PNP doing all of this, their name would have called long time, long blouse and skirt time. When uno don't fight them out, Almalin Malawishi, when uno don't fight them out, name Africal. Someone want to know what's special about uno. What's special? And it is not fair, you know, guys. You know, so what the Prime Minister do, he run go create a policy called a gag order, cabinet policy, and he call it a gag order. That means none of the MP them no talk about it. It's supposed to keep confidential. And that him do. Why you go hide all these things if you know say you don't have nothing to hide? If you know say you not rob up no money and take taxpayer money and do as you no like. Yeah? Why? Why you hide? Why you create all these things? You understand? Uno look guilty. Uno look guilty in front of we. And it's just the truth. When I see this in my viewers and subscribers, I say, so them will come contact about JDF. We don't want to hear nothing about what we want JDF and JCF them do. We want a crime plan for set so they can keep focus. Keep focus on the nation. You understand? And serve and protect people the right way. That we want them to do. What we want uno to do now is to come out and tell you who are the 6 main thief and the 40. Yeah. Because remember, you know, as I said to you, if this was PNP, names have to call already. Name have to call already. You understand me? And it is not fair. All of this is just conflict of interest. All of this, you know, a conflict of interest. Number one, Madam Speaker should even do it. Yeah, that's a red flag. And how can her husband under investigation and she are the one a whole and report and she know what is in the report? It can't be like that. This is where your feelings are going to come into this now. This is where the conflict of interest is. You understand? So things need to be done the right way. And, you know, uno just corrupt. Uno is just a corrupt government and uno can't change. Uno just need to resign the whole of uno. And you honestly need to do us a favor and resign. Step down because you're not doing a good job. You're not. You just put it on mainstream TV to make it look like you're doing a good job, but you're really not. You're really not doing a good job. I mean, I know why the people them run you know. The whole of them run you know, but through them and them food too, they can't say nothing. They can't say a thing. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think and how you feel about this. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Guys, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, if it's the first time watching my channel, feel free to click the subscription button, press the notification bell, click all. That means when we drop the video them, wanna get them straight away. Guys, you can be a member of Hot Off of the Press, because sometime there's videos I'm going to show that the public really cannot see it. But if you're a member, you will be able to see it. So you can show support by being a member of Hot Off of the Press. Anyway, my people, wanna big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.